On tonight's On Low Carb He's Not menu, I've got a pan-seared salmon with a garlic butter sauce. You guys, you can take the salmon, you can pair it with mashed potatoes, cauli mash, rice, cauli rice, asparagus, some blistered tomatoes, a salad, anything that your heart desires. Or as my mom says, with salmon and garlic butter, all you need is a fork. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And now that you're joining me, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And also remember, give this video a like and a share. As I said, salmon, garlic, butter, in a matter of minutes. We are going to have a restaurant-worthy recipe that works from my low-carb palate as well as my husband's, well, I'm not low-carb palate. And you guys, this is packed with protein. So come in close and let's cook together. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to prep this fish, and I am going to take some avocado oil and spread each side with a little bit. Okay, next, simple seasonings, because we are going to get all the flavor for this fish from this garlic and this butter and a little bit of lemon juice. So we're just going to use some salt, some pepper, and you guys, we're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side, and then at that point this will be ready for the pan. And one thing that I would also like to add as well is, depending upon whether or not you use salted or unsalted butter, will also determine how much of the salt that you season your fish with. So please do gauge this accordingly. All right, you guys, this is now seasoned and it's time to go over to the stove, and we are going to sear some fish. Okay, everyone, this skillet is hot. Let's go ahead and put some avocado oil in it. And in goes our fish. And this should cook for about 4 minutes on this side, and then we're going to flip it over and probably cook it for about another 2 minutes on the other side. See how the salmon has started to cook, and you can see the change in the texture on the side. That's about halfway up the side of the salmon, and that's how we know it is time to flip. Beautiful. All right, you guys, so I let this cook for about another minute. On the flip side, I am going to get rid of some of this oil, and when I come back, we are going to add in this additional layer of flavor with the butter and the garlic. Okay guys, now that this butter is melted and it is starting to bubble, let's go ahead and put this garlic in. Mix it in well with this butter to infuse it with all this flavor. Oh, you guys, and the aroma. Oh, that smells good. And let's go ahead and spoon some of this deliciousness over this fish. And we're going to continue to do this for about a minute or so, just to make sure that the flavors of this butter and garlic is thoroughly infused into this fish. Okay, you guys, it's time to take this off the stove, and then I'm going to add the lemon into this sauce, and then we're going to spoon that over the finished product. All right, you guys, look at that deliciousness. Okay, you guys, I just put some lemon in this butter And let's go ahead and spoon some more over the top of this fish. And of course, I'm going to be generous with it because it is, oh, so good. You guys, and this is ready to serve. Okay, everyone. This fish, I have to say, has been cooked to perfection. It has got a perfect sear on the outside. Oh, and the inside of this, you guys. It is tender. It is juicy and, again, cooked to perfection. Okay, let's give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. You guys, I wish I could share this with you. This is how awesome this is. Oh, it's so good. My mom was absolutely right. Seared salmon, garlic butter. This is all you need. You guys, you've got to give this recipe a try. And when you do, please do leave in the comments that you did. Let everybody know just how wonderful this is. Remember, whatever you do, you continue to make it your own kind of special. And remember to give this video a like and a share, and please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. Remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 50. Thank you guys. Enjoy.